You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 18 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 16. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals -1.